I will never look at coconuts the same way after learning this. Meet the coconut crab, the world's largest land crab. These giants can grow up to 1 meter across and weigh up to 4.1 kilograms. They've got powerful claws that can crack coconuts and even lift objects as heavy as 28 kilograms. And get this, they can live up to 60 years. Not just coconut enthusiasts, they're also known to snatch up the occasional bird or rodent. Found in the Indo-Pacific region, these crabs are true survival experts. They can climb trees, dig burrows, and they've even got a great sense of smell. Fascinated yet? Next time you're near the beach, keep an eye out. You might just spot one of these incredible creatures.